How to integrate Stripe with Klaviyo. Let's dive in exactly how to do that. My name is Zach Schieffer. My clients do about 2 million from email and SMS using Klaviyo. What you want to do is you want to go to your Klaviyo account and then you want to hit integrations in the bottom left corner. We're already there. So you're going to pull up Klaviyo. You're also going to pull up Stripe. So in Klaviyo, you're going to go to add integration. Going to search up Stripe here. Click on that right there. We'll give it a second. All right. Connect to Stripe and go through this process. Gonna select your Stripe account. Might have to log in. Cool. All right, now you have this URL. You're gonna wanna copy this and then you're gonna go over to Stripe right here. And then in the top right, you wanna hit developers. All right, and then we're gonna go over to Webhooks, add an endpoint, and then you're gonna take that, which you copied earlier, you're gonna enter that right there. And then you're going to select listen to events on your account. And then you'll do latest API version, select events to listen to. I just like to do all to make it easy. Add events, scroll all the way down here, click add endpoint. And there we are. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to grab what's called this signing secret. You're going to hit reveal here, and then you're going to copy that big long string. So I'm going to crop it out, but that is what you do. You have your signing secret. You're gonna wanna copy and paste that into Klaviyo. So go ahead and copy and paste it, that big long string. It should look like something, big long string of random letters and numbers. All right, so now that's in place. You can go ahead and if you'd like to hit sync Stripe test data and complete setup. And there you are. So now you can go back to your Klaviyo dashboard and then you just need to give it a second. It's gonna load and populate that data. Might just be a little bit, but eventually you can go into here and there you are. You can see a couple different Stripe things here. You have failed payments. You have a couple different Stripe metrics here. So you have failed payment, obviously when someone fails a payment, issued invoice, refunded payment, and then successfully paid, of course, is going to be that metric for how much you are making in Stripe. All right, so that's it. That was a live tutorial walking through this entire process here. There's 4 different Stripe metrics. I'm going to leave this document down below in the description so that you can see a more detailed description of the 4 different Stripe metrics, but failed payment, issued invoice, refunded payment, and successfully paid are the 4. You can also set up some Klaviyo flows for these Stripe payments. So there's 2 that are super notable and I would highly recommend setting up if it makes sense for your business. Number 1, for automated invoices. You can send out automated invoice receipts to customers after they successfully pay. So the trigger is this successfully paid metric. So this is just like a customer thank you for your payment type email. And then Stripe failed payments flow. So if someone fails a payment, you can set this up right here so that if it'll wait a little bit and then it'll say, hey, like retry your failed payments, might wait another day, and you could do whatever you want to, but you can use this as the trigger for a specific flow. All right, that was it. So if you're running a direct-to-consumer e-commerce brand, or if you're just any type of company that needs help with Klaviyo, you now have 2 options. You can try to implement everything that we talked about by yourself, or if you want our help to really increase your brand's revenue, feel free, check out zhs-ecom.com and book a call there so we can talk about how to create a win-win partnership. Appreciate your time.